is a phase after corruption is exposed where destruction feels righteous. Tear it down, start over, clean slate, new rules. That impulse is understandable. It is also usually wrong. Repair is harder than replacement because repair requires discernment. You must know what is broken and what is still load-bearing. Destruction does not ask this of you. It is blind. It removes both disease and structure at once. Repair demands restraint. Most systems do not fail all at once. They fray, they leak, they drift out of alignment, and most damage is not catastrophic. It is cumulative. Small compromises, deferred maintenance, temporary patches that become permanent. Repair begins by resisting the urge to dramatize failure. Not everything that hurts is rotten. Not everything that creaks is collapsing. The skilled hand does not swing wildly. It isolates the fault. It stabilizes the surrounding structure. It intervenes narrowly. This is why repair is invisible to spectators. There is no spectacle in tightening a joint, no applause for reinforcing a beam, no headlines for restoring tolerance. And yet, this is how continuity survives. Revolution promises purity. Repair preserves function. Revolution treats systems as disposable. Repair treats them as inherited. The mature mind understands this difference because inheritance carries responsibility. You do not get to redesign everything simply because you are dissatisfied. You are accountable to what already works, to what others rely on, to what would be lost if you misjudge. This is where wisdom replaces righteousness. Repair accepts scar tissue. It does not demand perfection. It values continuity over aesthetics. A repaired system is not pristine. It is legible. Its weaknesses are known. Its limits respected. This is why repair often feels unsatisfying. It does not flatter the ego. It does not signal moral superiority. It does not promise a new world. It promises a working one, and that is enough. The highest skill is not knowing how to burn things down. It is knowing how to intervene without destroying what still carries weight. Most people never learn this. They confuse motion with progress, noise with change, collapse with honesty. But those who do learn it become rare. They become the reason systems endure long enough to be worth inheriting at all. Repair is not weakness. It is discipline under pressure. And it is always quieter than the damage that made it necessary.